Okay, here comes motorcycle. Please look at my previous video. I explained the situation. A cop was killed Friday. He was dragged by a car 3 miles to that rest area right there. There's the rest area. There's got a cop blocking the rest area. To that rest area right there. I made it just in time. This is Raging Rob. Subscribe to my channel if you're new. There'll be more videos to come. This is in honor of the Michigan State cop that was killed Friday in this area. I travel this area every day going to work. They got a candlelight vigil at that rest area. My heart's thoughts and prayers go out to his wife and his 4 kids. I send my condolences. It was a very tragic accident. Man, I got a lot of them too. Man, it just keeps going forever, doesn't it? Wow, this is incredible. I'm on Davisburg Road. I'm above I-75 right now. This is Davisburg Road right here. Now he was dragged from Dixie Highway to somewhere along 75 here. The car stopped at that rest area. That happened Friday, 2 days ago. Back on or not. This is the northbound side of I-75. The northbound side, the southbound side is right there. This is the northbound side, just in case you're wondering. on camera still. Man, oh man, it's crazy. Yeah, this is wild. Oh my gosh, we got more. There we go. Looks like the end of the line right there, maybe. I'll put this up on YouTube tonight. Got the news van right there. Not sure what channel 4 looks like. The end of the line right there, it looks like. I think that's it. Okay, they got something way up there, I'm not exactly sure. Wow, that was intense, wasn't it? Yeah. That was something else. I don't see a lot of those very often. Okay, I'm gonna go over to that rest area and see what's going on. Okay. Oh, we got something else going. Like. Okay, they're opening the rest area back, it looks like. They're gonna have a candlelight vigil at the rest area. I'm gonna try to get over there. Alright. More videos coming.